Get up. I get up at 7 a.m. every day. I got up at 7 a.m. yesterday. I will get up at 7 a.m. tomorrow. Make the bed. I make the bed every day. I made the bed yesterday. I will make the bed tomorrow. Shave. I shave every week. I shaved yesterday. I will shave tomorrow. Take a shower. I take a shower every day. I took a shower yesterday. I will take a shower tomorrow. Get dressed. I get dressed every day. I got dressed yesterday. I will get dressed tomorrow. Put on makeup. I put on makeup every day. I put on makeup yesterday. I will put on makeup tomorrow. Make breakfast. I make breakfast every day. I made breakfast yesterday. I will make breakfast tomorrow. Have breakfast. I have breakfast every day. I had breakfast yesterday. I will have breakfast tomorrow. Do housework. I do housework every day. I did housework yesterday. I will do housework tomorrow. Go to work. I go to work every day. I went to work yesterday. I will go to work tomorrow. Go to school. I go to school every day. I went to school yesterday. I will go to school tomorrow. Go to bed. I go to bed at 10 p.m. every day. I went to bed at 10 p.m. yesterday. I will go to bed at 10 p.m. tomorrow. Brush teeth. I brush my teeth every day. I brushed my teeth yesterday. I will brush my teeth tomorrow. Brush hair. I brush my hair every day. I brushed my hair yesterday. I will brush my hair tomorrow. Have a bath. I have a bath every day. I had a bath yesterday. I will have a bath tomorrow.